if you want to add an event to calendar on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we can go to the app drawer, and over here of course we should be able to find the calendar app. Now in this case we have actually two calendar apps. I'm gonna use the Google's one because I just think this is the most popular one. In this case we need to grant some permissions, of course. There we go. Now in here, in order to add an event, we need to press this plus button in the bottom right corner, or you can choose any of these days, and then over here, as you can see, we immediately have the option. So we have two ways. I'm gonna use this plus as well. In this case, we need to choose event. Now we can set up the title of the event. Of course, we can use categories. Then we have the selection of date, time, and time zone. We can also make the event last a whole day. We can tap on the date to choose when it starts and when it ends, and the same can be done with time if it doesn't last the whole day. Over here, of course, like I mentioned, we have the selection of the time zone. We can also choose whether the event repeats or not. We can also add people, add location, and some other stuff as well, and we can also manage notifications, so you can choose when you want to be informed about the event, and you can actually add multiple notifications, so you can be notified about the upcoming event multiple times. And once you set everything up, just tap on Save in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.